Hello there, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we want to bring focus to the topic sustainability. There are so many ways for your brand to be eco-friendly, and packaging is one of them. And in this video you will learn more than a handful of ways to turn your packaging into a sustainable experience. Today's package was sent to us from the brand Biotika. Biotika is an up-and-coming candle manufacturer from Poland, but how are they different? They use the best ingredients so that their candles not only look and smell great, but create a harmonious wellness experience. And as you can see here, is where it all begins. Biotika's package comes nicely wrapped in this packaging paper that's made from 80% recycled paper. It adds an extra layer of protection and is also a perfect space to add your shipping label without ruining your box design. Speaking of shipping labels, Biotika uses these waterproof, cell-adhesive envelopes. Maybe your brand might be interested in something like that. Oh, and let's not miss these cute little details. The branded sticker, so we can easily identify what brand is sending the packaging, and the fully recyclable craft tape to keep everything secure. Now, let's unwrap things. Here, you can see Packhelp's one of bestsellers, the Eco Mailer Box, and here's why it's so popular. Eco Mailer Boxes are made from 3 layers of 90% recycled craft, and designs are printed using water-based ink. They're sturdy and fully recyclable. Plus, we also know that it's important for your customers to know how serious you are about sustainability. That's why we recommended adding symbols to your packaging. Inform your customers on whether your packaging is, for example, recyclable or biodegradable. And doing this is super simple. Each one of your products comes with their own list of eco properties. You can then add these properties with the respective symbols to your design, so your customers know. Speaking of symbols, Biotika added this special symbol to their box. This, the Eco Badge. It's an exclusive badge that tells that your packaging has helped plant trees. That's right, packaging can plant trees. We actually partnered up with an organisation, One Tree Planted, to help reforestation efforts around the world. And you can help as well. As you design your packaging, we automatically calculate how many trees are used in your order, and then give you the chance to replant them, and more. This way at Packhelp, you always plant more than you use. As a reward, you get to sport this badge on your packaging. And your customers will not be disappointed. They will feel as they also contribute to the well-being of the planet by purchasing from sustainable brands like yours. And now, as we open the box, we can find all of the fabulous goodies from Biotika inside. In this package, we've got a fig and cardamom scented candle, a mint and vanilla candle, these cute branded matches, and a special card. It all comes perfectly laid on this natural filler to keep it all safe. Seeing unboxing experiences like this really warms my heart. It's nice to see that brands around the world are trying to take responsibility for the planet and are choosing more sustainable options. And you can easily do it as well. You can start making a smooth transition with your packaging. Consider eco-friendly options and choose a design that fits your brand. I invite you to head over to our site and explore our range of eco-friendly packaging. I'm sure you'll find something and create a fantastic unboxing experience, just like Biotika. And don't forget to like and subscribe to keep watching more unboxing videos. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.